Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet M1136 MFP printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So under the description box below, you would be able to see a link that is being attached there. So please copy it. Okay? And once you have copied it here at the Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the Windows search bar and press Ctrl V in the keyboard and click on the enter key so that you would be redirected to the mega folder. So we just have to wait until this requesting folder data would be finished before we can proceed. Okay, so the moment you have successfully bring up this window, you would be able to see a bunch of file here. All you need to do is you need to proceed at the above area there. You can see there an option called download. So the moment you do it, please choose on this one, which is download as a zip file. Okay, so eventually it will now start on the downloading of this HP LaserJet M1136. We just have to wait until this process would be finished before we can proceed. Once it is being successfully downloaded, please proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there a download icon and this would show up. Please click on this folder icon to show it in folders. So you would be redirected to this location where here we need to proceed to our next method, and that is to move this zip file to the desktop. So by that, click on this cut icon, close the window. Okay, as well as this. And at the desktop screen, please do a right click and go with this paste icon. The moment we have pasted it, we need to proceed on the unzipping of this file. So by that, please do a right click. Okay, you can select on extract all, or you can use this WinRAR tool and go with extract to. So eventually it will now start on the extraction, and once a folder has been successfully created, meaning we have successfully extracted it. So by that, please navigate to the start icon, do a right click and then scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way or manner you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please proceed at the left side of that and select on this option called Bluetooth and devices, and from here, you need to scroll down and select on this devices option. So under the devices settings, all you need to do is you need to scroll down and locate with the related settings. So the settings are the related ones for devices. So please click on this more devices and printer settings. The moment you do it, you will be able to bring up this new window called Devices and Printers, which contains all of the devices, and that includes the printers that you have. Here, please proceed at the upper left side of that. You can see there an option called Add a Printer, and proceed with this. The printer that I want is enlisted. So please click on it, and the moment you do it, you will be able to find a printer by other options. Please select on Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and click on Next. Once you're done, click this down arrow and choose among of this USB ports. So it could be USB 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be selecting USB 001 as my printer port. And the moment you have set it, please click on Next and go with Have Disk. Once you're good, go with Browse. Okay. And eventually this window would appear. Please proceed at the left pane of that and click on the desktop. Scroll down, proceed with this one, double tapped. Okay, double tap once again. And from here, you need to select with this first, okay, with this one, first driver, or you can click on append to continue. So click on OK, and it will show you all of the available printers that you can install. Please proceed with HP LaserJet Pro M1136. So by that, you can proceed on clicking on next. Okay. And from here, click on next and it will now start on the installation. We just have to wait until this process will be finished. And the moment your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation. So once done, it will ask you to allow printer sharing. And if you would like to set it as your private printer, then choose this first, which is do not share this printer. In my case, I'll be like I'd want to share it this one to others, so I'm gonna select the second. So go with next. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check this one. In my case, I'm leaving that unchecked since I don't want to. Go with finished, and there you have it. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet M1136 MFP in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.